you, it's Kyla Lou, and aside from being extremely sexy, what else do you do for a living? I'm sorry if that was weird, but in all honesty, I would love to know what you do, so feel free to drop it down in the comments. So you're not growing on TikTok, huh?
No.
No?
Well, let's chat about some of the things that I brought up at the beginning of this video to see if we can help you out. First of all, lighting. My friends, TikTok is a video platform, so if your video quality or your lighting sucks, it can have an impact on how well your videos do. If you want to learn the easiest and cheapest way to improve your TikToks and your lighting game, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. But just because you get a ring light doesn't mean you're gonna get billions of views. So get ready to take some notes. Now, there is something I wanted to bring up because I do believe it holds a lot of creators back, and that is stop blaming the algorithm. I'll hear people say things like,
Oh my gosh, TikTok literally hates me and doesn't show my content to anybody.
when in reality, the TikTok algorithm isn't some person who has a personal vendetta against you. In fact, the main purpose for the TikTok algorithm and all other social media algorithms for that matter is to keep people on the platform as long as possible. TikTok is constantly looking for more content to put in front of people to test to see if it does well. So they actually want your content to succeed because if it does, they benefit. We can always do better as creators, so stop using the algorithm as an excuse. And here are 5 things that you may be doing that are hindering your growth. If you're seeing a lack of growth or no growth within your account, check yourself.
You better check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Are you being authentic? Telling your story, showing who you are. I know this topic of authenticity can be a little bit difficult to understand and figure out how you can best do it for yourself. So I actually dive more into this topic on my video, How to Go Viral on TikTok. So if you want to head over to that video after this one to check that out, that's going to dive a little bit more into some of the methods and theories on how to actually be more authentic in your content. I always recommend thinking in terms of a week. So how much can you reasonably post in a week? And it's perfectly okay to start small and then work your way up. My recommendation, if you're working on being more consistent with your content, is set a bar or an expectation for yourself that if you're going to commit to posting a certain amount of times in a week, you can always go over that amount. So if you end up creating more content, you can always do that, but you can never go under that. Now, I want you to keep in mind that consistency comes in many forms. So not just the amount of times you post in a week, but your cover images, the topics you talk about, etc. If we're talking about cover images, okay, I know at this point, you do not have the ability to add any sort of thumbnails onto your TikTok videos, but let's say you want to use specific text on the cover, 1-second clip of all your TikToks. So when people go to your profile, there's somewhat of a cohesive theme to your videos. So if you're going to do, certain text and certain colors, make sure you use the same colors throughout all of your cover text. It really just makes it so when people jump onto your profile, they can understand really quickly what your account is about and if they actually want to check out your content. Oh man, this one's a doozy. Overthinking your content can often lead to you getting in your own way and blocking your own ideas, or it turns into you being so concerned about every single little detail of your content that you don't actually end up posting anything. So I'm here to tell you right now to post that TikTok that you've been avoiding posting. Just go ahead and post it. It's okay. And remember, imperfect action is better than no action. As content creators, we do our best to plan and strategize to make our content as successful as possible. But at the end of the day, if you're overthinking things so much, you're not producing content. You're not putting that content out to get feedback on, because literally we do not know how something is going to perform until we put it out there. And that's how you're going to get the feedback and analyzing that to help prepare you for the next bit of content that you're going to create. I know views on TikTok especially are a really big deal, and it feels so amazing when you can get a video that gets a ton of views. I've been there. It feels amazing. I know what those social media platforms are doing to us, but It's not the only metric for success. And I'm here to hop on and tell you guys that not every post is meant to go viral. You can go ahead and take that pressure off of yourself. The second you start letting the amount of views you get determine your success on a certain platform is when you need to redefine and reassess. Your success on a platform can be determined by a lot of different things, like getting leads or making sales, building a community, helping your audience. There's so much more than just the views. Viral posts can certainly help bring more people into your world, but in all honesty, videos with more average views that add value convert and build more trust with your audience. So stop chasing virality and start building your audience and your strategy. Because we're not gonna just sit here and hope one day that we have a video go viral. That's not how we do things. I think it can be really helpful to go and do research on TikTok to see what people are doing and analyzing the content that is performing well. But that does not give you a free pass to go and start comparing yourself to these people. Avoid comparing other people's outsides to your own insides. That kind of sounds gross, but I hope you guys get the idea. And instead of feeling envious of other people's accomplishments, think about how they were able to achieve them, and then see if there's any elements that you can replicate. My friend, you have something very valuable and unique to offer this world. So please don't ever forget that. So there you guys go. Those are hopefully some ideas and some things that you can pay attention to that you may be doing that are hindering your growth on TikTok. So if you guys found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps my channel out so much. So that would mean the world to me. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me today, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. 'Cause I've been living life